My name is Umer, and since 2014, I've been working in the field of energy healing, helping individuals remove negative energies, trapped emotions, curses, hexes, negative entities, and blockages using advanced healing techniques like emotion code, body code, belief code, Reiki healing, and powerful divine healing. Over the years, I've helped countless clients restore peace, happiness, and abundance in their lives after suffering for years due to unknown energetic interference. My approach is deeply spiritual, but also practical. I blend ancient knowledge with modern healing systems to bring real results. These healing sessions are rooted in my personal journey and deep experience in clearing unseen energies that block people from reaching their true potential. My goal is simple: to help you take your power back. I'm honored to be your guide on this sacred journey,